Hi, Sean from Waveley. In this video, I'm going through 3 fundamental concepts in digital marketing: rapid experimentation, the pirate metrics, the no-star metric. These concepts are key to any successful growth marketing campaign. Through this, you can ensure that your marketing budget gets spent way more effectively. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, share, and click the bell icon below. First up, the art, or rather the science of marketing. Growth marketing. When people hear the word marketing, they think about creativity, art, guesswork. Today, that's just a tiny bit of a story. The digital age has revolutionized marketing, enabling businesses to get far more data than ever before and making the approach to marketing a lot more scientific. Here's a quick example. This is a sweet. It can have any color, any shape and size. 2 marketers need to market the sweet with an ad budget of $5,000. First, you have the traditional marketer. He will think an attractive way to sell the sweet according to his gut feeling. Maybe make the sweet pink, small, and round. He would then use this $5,000 by putting the ads he thinks would be the best platform. If he's right, sales go up. If he's wrong, he's f***ed. Now here's the growth marketer. She doesn't really know what's the best way to sell the sweet, so she started forming a hypothesis. The blue sweet will sell better than the pink one. She put this into a test with a small ad spend, maybe $10, and test the hypothesis. She repeats this process hundreds and hundreds of times based on what worked better in her target market, optimizing the market strategy every single time. Throughout this process, the marketing gets better and better, and she will learn exactly what works best in her target market. This process is called rapid experimentation, and it's the basis of growth marketing. That's how you hack a digital marketing campaign. It's all about using the scientific approach. Next up, the pirate metrics. Arr! The pirate metrics are the key steps in consumers' buyer's journey. Identifying, measuring, and optimizing the metrics for each of these customer stages is key to grow your business. So we start with acquisition. Your first transaction with your users, things like new leads, new downloads, talk to sales rep, etc. Activation, where they actually test your product. Retention, keeping users within your product or services. Referral, let your happy customers get more happy customers for you. And revenue, we make money. Or like how a pirate would say it, Arr! Concept number 3, the no-star metric. So you got all of those metrics in part 2, and while they are all definitely important, there's always one metric which quantifies how successful your business is. It's called the no-star metric. For example, Facebook. The North Star is the number of active users every day, and Netflix is the number of subscribers. Here at Waveley, when we launch a new marketing campaign for one of our clients, we will call in the team to first discuss what is the North Star metric for this campaign. Finding this metric is all about identifying how the client's business creates value to the customers and identifying the metric that measures that value. It could be the number of sales obtained for a product, one of vanity metrics like likes, shares, or engagements, perhaps number of people who turn up for an event. Now, think about your business. What is the main value you are creating for your customers? How would you go about measuring that? And how are you going to maximize that? I hope this video was very informative and helps you to get you started with boosting the digital marketing of your business. Once again, the concepts were rapid experimentation, pirate metrics, and the no-star metric. If you have any question about digital marketing or growth marketing, do let us know. Till next time,